Hello, I am Sri, Uncle Sri. Let us learn mathematics. Today we will do multiplication by a different method. What is this method called? This is called lattice method. Okay, it is not in your book, textbook. It's okay. You can see this in Tamil Nadu State Syllabus book. Okay, and also it's a very old method and very interesting also. Let us see how it is going to be, right? And let us try with one numerical. Okay, what is this called? Lattice method. Let me multiply, let us say a 2-digit number 75. I want to multiply this with 2. Yes, very easy. We know that. Take the ones place and tens place here. 2 digits are there. Now this is only 1 digit is there in ones place. So 2 5s are 10. What is the remainder carry over? That is 1. We have to add this 1. Now 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1, how much? That is 15. So the answer is 150. That is 150. Okay. Now I want to do this in lattice method. What is lattice? Very simple. Draw boxes. How? Let me draw a rectangle. A rectangle has a long side which is called length and a short side called breadth. Don't worry about that. Draw a rectangle. Now divide this into 2 parts. Why 2 parts? Here I got 2 digits. So I will divide it into 2 parts. Let me write this 7 5 above this box. 7 and 5. What I have to multiply this with? I have to multiply this with 2. So write it in the side. Is it okay? Now you draw a rectangle and you have 2 digits means divide by 1, and if it is 3 digit then you have to have 3 boxes like this. Rectangle is nice actually. Okay, now from one corner to another corner draw a line and extend it. From this corner to this corner draw another line. Okay, and leave it like this. Oh, it looks like a magic box. Yes, it is a magic box. Very easy. My teachers never taught me. So I learnt it now, I learnt it now only. Yes. Now what you should do? What is this number? 2. And what is this number? 5. Multiply 2 and 5. 5 2s are 10. How you will write this? 1 here in the upper box here and 0 here. 1 and 0, 10. Over. Now take the second digit, right? And this we have to multiply with the 2. So 7 2s. 7 2s are 14. Above 1, below 4. What is this? 14. Done? Now forget about everything. Now come here, right? You see this box. What is the number here? This number, you write it here, 0. Okay? Now next to come to this part here, right? And what is here? 4. And what is here? 1. 4 plus 1. Add these two inside the box. 4 plus 1, write it here. That is 5. Okay? And what is here? You see? What is here? 1. And write that 1 here. Okay? Now, you see what I am doing? I am taking like this, and this is the answer. What is the answer? Yes, let me take it little inside. 1, 1, 150. 150. That is 150 is the answer. Is it not same 150? You do by this method or you do by this method, the answer will be same. Yes. Will it be same with all the numbers? Yes, you can do any number. Okay, you asked me to do one more, no? You think I don't know? Okay, I will do one more now. Okay, I will take another number now. Let me see. Let me think of a number, a big number, 98. And I will multiply this with 4. Why? I know only till 5th multiplication table. So I am going to multiply by 4, a single digit number. So let me rub it off. Let me erase it. Okay, I have erased it now. Yes, let me try. Let me erase it some more neatly. Let us make it board clean, right? Okay, now what do you do in lattice method? First, you have to draw a rectangle. Draw a rectangle. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So divide this rectangle into 2 parts. Okay, now write this number 9 and 8 here. Okay, and we have to multiply that by 4. Write that number 4 in the side. After writing this, what you do? You join the 2 corners. Join the 2 corners. But add little tail to it. Add some more tail to this. Right? Let me make it little more. Make it more straight. You know? Okay? Yeah. Add little tail to this. Done? Very simple. We have got tail also. Right? This has got a tail also. Now, take this 4, multiply by 8. 8 4s are, 4 8s are 32. Done. Over. Now, 9 4s, 4 9s are 36. Done. All boxes are filled now. Okay. Now, take this diagonal here, this corner triangle. Write this number here. That is 2. Done. Now, add these 2. 6 plus 3, that is 9. Write this here. Okay. Now, again, what is here? It is only 3 here. Write this 3 here. And my answer is 392. This is my answer. But I have a doubt. Is this method correct? It was found in Italy. In Italy, Italy is famous for pizzas, right? In Italy, in 1400 and something, this was invented. This method was used. Let us try here, right? Our usual method. This is there. 4 8s are 32. 32. 2. 3 you carry over. Okay. Now take it here. 4 9s are 36. Add here. Okay. 36 plus 3, that is 39. So my answer is correct in either way. Whichever way you like it, you do it. The more you do with different numbers, magic will happen. Your brain will open up and you will become very good in mathematics. Practice, practice, practice. Yes. Is it only with the 2-digit number and a single digit number? Okay. Let me try whether it is right or wrong. This method is right or wrong. I am going to check now with one more problem. What should be that problem? Let me think. Let me think. Okay, what should be the problem? What should be the problem? Yes. Let me think of a nice problem. Okay, so you understand it, right? Now, let the number be, let us say 54. One number is 54. I multiply this with 23. Yes, this is 2-digit and this is also 2-digit. 54 multiplied by 23. Yes, this is 1's place and this is 10's place. Let it be. I don't know the answer. I will go to lattice method now. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So, draw a rectangle. Yes, I am drawing a little big rectangle. Yes. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So, 5 and 4. Write it above. 5 and 4. But here again 2 digits are there. In the last problem, you had only 1 digit. So no problem. You now divide this again into 2 parts. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes are there. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. Right. And what is this number? 23. So 2 and 3. Now leave it. Do not worry so much. First come to the corners, right? And draw a diagonal, right? And like this, you come out little, right? And you see here, and you see here, you see here. Can I join all of them, all the points together like this, right? And little extend it outward, okay? Now again, I come here, and again I draw a line like this, right? You see, don't get confused. Very simple. You just follow me. Follow me. Will you follow me? Yes, follow me. Yeah. 2 4s are 8. Okay. But you should write 0, 8. Why? Because there is number, no number here. So when no number is there, put 0 there. Understand? Now, here 2 is there. I multiply with 5. 2 5s are 10. So 1 0. Over. First part is over. Now I take the second digit and multiply again with 4. Okay. 3 4s are 12. 1 2. I'll put another tick because I multiplied with the second digit. Now I have to multiply 3 with 5. 3 5s are 15. Look at the box here. 1 and 5 and put another tick. That means I have multiplied all that. Don't worry anything. Now what you have to do? You have to watch like this. You have to watch like a telescope. Right? Like this. Yes. First to take this number 2. Write it here. 2. Next 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. How much? 6 plus 8 is 14. So when you have 14, don't write 14 here. Write only 4. Carry this 1 here. Carry this 1 here. Right? I have taken 1 here. So I add 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 1 is how much? That is 2. Yes? And what is this number? You got 1 here. You understand what I am doing? Yeah? So the answer is this. 1 2 4 2. 1 2 4 2 is the answer. Do you understand? Is it very difficult? If you practice, it will become very easy. Yes, blindly I will write here 1 2 4 2. You try yourself. If I am wrong, you just write you are wrong. Okay, I will accept and then I will again do it for you. Yes. Shall I do one more problem to make you understand? Yes, this is the last problem in this video. Okay, what is this problem? Let us take another number. Okay, and we will try this problem also. Yes, let me try. Yes. Okay, take a 2-digit number. Very difficult? Simple number we will do. Okay? We will take 1, 2, 12. We will multiply with, let us say, 2, 1. Simple. Very simple. Okay? Yes. Multiply. 2 ones are 2. 1 ones are 1. But now I come to 10 column. So here you put a 0. 2 twos are 4. And 2 ones are 2. So answer is 2. 4 plus 1, 5. 2, 5, 2. This is the answer in our usual method. I am going to do now lattice method. Okay, let me check it. Draw a rectangle. I know it is 2 digit. So let me draw a little big. Yeah, Uncle Sri is very intelligent. Yes, he is very intelligent. So he drew a big box now. Yes, divide it into 2 parts. Number is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Again 2 and 1. I want to write here 2 and 1. So divide this again into 2 parts. Simple, right? It is done now. Now draw the 2 corners. Put a tail. Draw all the corners. Draw all the corners and put a small tail. And draw again, join the corners. Put a tail. Okay? Yeah. Simple. We have to multiply now. 1 and 2 with first 2. 2 multiplied by 2. How much? 2 multiplied by 2. 4. But I should write here 0, 4. Because in this box, if nothing is there, you should write 0. Will you remember? In this box, nothing is there. So put 0. Right? 2 ones are 2. Yes. Now 0, 2. Very good. Now this is over. 1 tick. Now 1, 2. 1 twos are 2. So 0, 2. Put one more tick. Right? Now 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. So 0, 1. Put another tick. Right? Now we have to add all in the diagonal. All in the boxes like this. Right? So this is 2. 1 plus 4, that is 5. And 0 plus 2, that is 2. 0 is 0. So we need not write anything. Now you see 2, 5, 2. This is the answer. 2, 5, 2 is the answer. Oh. Which method you like? You like this method? Our usual method? What my teachers taught me? You like this method? Lattice method. No problem. You can do in any method. Whatever your school says, whatever your teacher says, you can do in that method. No problem. But learn both the methods. It will be very nice for you. You want to become strong? You want to become strong in mathematics? Then learn more problems. Thank you.